So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add your virtual card to your Apple Wallet on the KOHO Financial application. So once the app is opened up, go to the bottom left and press the Home tab here. And then where you see your virtual card, go ahead and select it. So as I mentioned before, just go ahead and press it. Once you're on this page right here at the bottom, it'll say add to Apple Wallet. It's very straightforward. Go ahead and add to the Apple Wallet by pressing on it and then press add. And then this card should appear in your Apple Wallet. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add your virtual card to your Apple Wallet on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.